In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add name in MailerLite. In order to do that, you first need to head over to MailerLite.com and create your account. Just click on this sign up free in order to create one, or if you already have an account, click on this login option right here. So since I already have one, let me just proceed to log in. Now here is my MailerLite dashboard. So for this case, let's head over and then open a campaign that I have. Just click onto this campaign. Then after that, it should be able to show you right here any campaigns that you have right there. So I have in here this particular campaign. Let's head over and click onto this edit option right here. You can see in here the campaign details, which is your name of the sender. But you can also have recipients right here. You can click onto this edit right here and you can choose select users, or you can also choose a filter for the actual options right here. We have sign up source and the likes. So on my case, let's head over and then click onto this edit content. Just wait for this to specifically load. So as you can see right here, I have in here this. We have hey subscriber, and if you want to add a name right here, you can just proceed to click onto this part. And then for this case, you can head over to the actions and can actually remove this block or edit it according to your liking. For example, let's click onto this subscriber and click onto this HTML option, and you can change this instead of hey subscriber to actually have or insert the actual name right here. So for this case, let's head over and insert right here this code. Let's insert this right here. And let's also input right here a close bracket after this. And after that, close this, and this will have this name, and whoever will actually receive this, they will have their actual name in replacement of this. So click on this done editing, and you should be able to send it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.